Hi YouTube, this is BellerV201 with my latest project. It's a PIR Arduino alarm system. This is very effective in an alarm. It took me a couple hours to do the code, and I already had a circuit built up. This is the circuit from my Arduino laser alarm. For some reason it detected a little bit of motion right there. My dog walked by in front of it. But anyways, this is the main compository, I guess you could say. Got your breadboard. It's got our relay, some LEDs. This jumper goes to the PIR, ground and stuff like that, and then those ones hop over to the Arduino digital pins. And we got the push button for reset, and our buzzer down here. So here in a couple seconds I'll walk out and you'll see it trip. That the green LED will switch from green over to a red one, and the buzzer will sound. So let me just get up and walk over here. Still working the bugs out of the code. There it goes. And just like that. Any questions? If you need a how-to video, I'll maybe post one up soon if people request it. So thanks for watching this video.